Hi friends! Welcome back to Uthra Srini Kitchen, the language of good food. If you're watching our channel for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to receive our updates. If we could see the miracle of a single flower clearly, our whole life would change. This quote is by Buddha. Your dreams are as beautiful as these flowers. May all your dreams be fulfilled this Diwali. Wishing you and your family a very, very happy Diwali from Uthra Srini Kitchen. Diwali is usually celebrated with lots of sweets and snacks. And when I mean lots, I mean lots of them. Visiting family and friends and exchanging sweets and snacks is one of the traditions. We are going to share our special Madras Mixture recipe in this video. Mixture is an Indian snack which consists of a variety of savory snacks. Each state in India has different varieties of mixtures, like Madras Mixture, Kerala Mixture, Bombay Mixture. Each mix has a different type of snack. Without further ado, let's take a look onto the ingredients to make this special, crispy, crunchy Madras Mixture. Tri-colored boondi, fried curry leaves, fried roasted chana dal, Mullu Murukku, Thenkhuzal, Omapodi, ribbon pakoda, fried cashew nuts, fried peanuts. For seasoning, salt, red chili powder, and asafoetida. Let's first make some tri-color boondi. To a mixing bowl, add basin flour, rice flour, asafoetida, salt, food color. Add little water at a time to make a lump-free thick batter. Remember, the batter shouldn't be too thick nor too thin. Heat a pan with frying oil. For this, we have a special spoon to make boondi. We have left the link to buy these tools to make the mixture in our description box. Sieve boondi in hot oil and cook for 3 minutes. Drain on paper-lined plate. Next, we are going to make some yellow boondi. Next, green boondi. For that, we are adding some edible food grade green color to the boondi batter. Cook similarly, and drain and set it aside. Next, we are going to make the Omapodi. To a mixing bowl, add basin flour, rice flour, ghee, ajwain, and salt. Add little water at a time and make a soft dough. Set it aside. Fill Murukku maker with dough. Carefully press Omapodi in hot oil and cook for 3 minutes. Drain on a paper-lined plate. Next, we are going to make ribbon pakoda. To To a mixing bowl, add basin flour, rice flour, ghee, red chili powder, and salt. Add little water at a time and make a soft dough. Fill Murukku maker with dough. Carefully press ribbon pakoda into hot oil and cook for 3 minutes. Drain on a paper-lined plate. Did I mention that I love ribbon pakoda? Next, we're gonna make Thenkhuzal. To a mixing bowl, add urad dal flour, moong dal flour, rice flour, ghee, salt, and asafoetida. Add little water at a time and make a soft dough. Fill Murukku maker with dough. Carefully press Thenkhuzal in hot oil and cook for 3 minutes. Drain on a paper-lined plate. Next, we are going to make Mullu. Do you know why it's called Mullu? This is because the murukku looks like it has thorns, and in Tamil, Mullu means thorns. To a mixing bowl, add moong dal flour, basin flour, rice flour, salt, and ghee. Add little water at a time and make a soft dough. Fill Murukku maker with dough. Carefully press Mullu in hot oil and cook for 3 minutes. Drain on a paper-lined plate. If you're worried about the oil splashing on your skin, here's a tip. You can take a long spatula, make the murukku on the spatula, and dip it into the oil. Next and finally, we are going to fry some peanuts, cashew nuts, and curry leaves in hot oil. It's time to mix the mixture. To a mixing bowl, slowly add in the prepared snacks. And we always like to season the mixture with some salt, red chili powder, and asafoetida. Crispy and crunchy Madras mixture is ready to enjoy. Each spoon you take will have all the snack types, especially the fried peanuts, cashew nuts, and curry leaves. Celebrate this Diwali with this special Madras mixture and enjoy with your family and friends. Once again, wishing you all a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, guys!
If you have any recipe requests, comment down below and we'll be happy to make them anytime. If you like our channel, please
like, share, comment, subscribe, and don't forget our videos. Bye, guys!